You guys, in this video is Humble FX. I'm going to be entering this market right now. So I'm going to be entering this trade right now, and then I will explain to you later why I entered the trade. All right, so let us enter the market. So right now we have entered the trade. So I will explain to you why I would take this trade and what made me take the trade right now. So that is just that. I remember I also have sent this trade even before I enter the market. I always send the trade to the Telegram channel for free. So you can actually join the Telegram channel for free and get access to our daily updates and all that. So guys, that's just that about that. Now before we go ahead and explain how and why I enter this market right now, let me show you guys. So the trade was sent here, as you see here, like we take the trade right here, right now. So yesterday I did some giveaway right here, and then today I just want to bring it to you guys notice also, so those on YouTube. So if you are interested and you are ready, so that it will be a shared opportunity to everyone. Look at this. I was giving out the Police Forest Mastery course right here. I was giving out this course and the 20 IK Masterclass this course for just $5 each right now. So if you're getting the two of them, which is the Dapper Willis Forest Mastery course and the 20 IK altogether, you can pay $10 and get the two of them. And then you also get only one choose course as extra bonus. Okay, and this offer is valid for just today. Yesterday I did the 29th for those in Telegram, but right now it's for just today for those of you here on YouTube. All right, so if you want to learn right now, I think this is the opportunity for you to learn it at a very convenient price. All right, so I remember that we have other courses available, like the Happy Forest course, the Mamba FS course, the DAX strategy, the Village J concepts, and the Golden Bridge uh, course, and the signature trade. So all these courses are available right now. So I can give you all of them if you want to get all of them for $15 instead. All right, I can give you all of them for that, and then as my gift for today, and it all ends today and only for two persons, like you see here, just two persons, and that is it. So guys, you can join here in this Telegram channel also to get our trades every single time. When we send a trade, you can get access to them and be getting free signals. Now let's go back to business. You're welcome back right here. So why did we take this trade, and why are we still holding the market right now? We're actually in progress. So first of all, let me mark out, this is 4 hour time frame. So this is a zone. You see this thing here, this candlestick wick here is a zone. This is a region. The market just tapped into that region, so we are going down from there. So how did I spot that as a point of interest that I'm looking at? Why am I taking trade right there? Okay, now if I scroll down to the left right now, I'm seeing markets moving up all this way, moving, giving me all this. Now at this point it has created a region here. Okay, it has created a zone here. So this place here is my supply zone. All right, I call that a supply zone. Now if I come back here, I want price to actually come back to that particular supply zone and tap me in and start to the sell. All right, so now if I should go down to lower time frame, let me say 1 hour time frame, like that. If I go down to 1 hour time frame, let me go down again to, I think, 30 minutes time frame. Okay, I'm trying to show you guys something, so I can let me take out that zone I put in there. Now if I zoom in closely right here, if I zoom in here, I see that there's something happening right here. This thing here is a liquidity area. Okay, so price is certainly going to react in this zone because it's not just a zone, it's also a strong supply zone. Inside the whole supply, inside the big box, this place is also a valid point of interest that can serve us as a supply zone. So when price got to that point, when price get to that particular point, it broke it went above that zone, which means it has taken out the liquidity that is resting inside on top of that particular zone. So hence that is more reason why I've entered the market right there. All right, you can see this particular thing here at a lower time frame. You don't. I saw it- I started from 4 hour time frame where I noticed that the market is actually on a zone, on a strong zone. But then I needed to fine tune the trade. I needed to find better entry where I will have zero to little drawdown. Okay, and then when price has spiked to this particular point here, I know that I should be entering the market. And then the SSL should have been above this level here, this week here. That should be my stop loss. When market goes above that point, that's to be my stop loss. Now if I decide to go down again to M15, something like this, I think I should still see the same information right there. It's still there. You see, I will still see the same information right here. Okay, so that is the entry point that we took. That is the entry model that we took right there. Okay, so it's just simple, guys. It's that simple. So this trade, you might decide to go down or just sell for a short time and spike again. So there's it's not that these don't not mean that there are no chance of market going up to this zone before selling more. All right, there's still a chance of price going up, but that zone here must at least be respected. So this trade that we are in right now is not a very long trade because there are a chance of market spiking up to the upside to that other zone. You know why? If I go to that 4 hour time frame, you see that the market is coming from the down. All right, it's actually gotten to hit the lowest, the low here. Okay, so it's actually pushing back upside. So there's a chance that the market will break that's my entry point and get to this level here before another sale, and maybe it could buy, right? That is possible. But we are working based on the current market movements. So we are working based on the current market chart pattern. Okay, so that is why we are taking a short trade right about that. At least if you can get like 50 pip from this place is not small. That is a whole lot. All right, so you don't want to be in that place whereby you wait for a point you will get 200 pips or 1000 pips before you take a trade. You can take a trade and take short trade that can give you like 30, 20, 50, 100 pips at once and go, whether it is buying or selling. All you need to get is to find a good entry, because inside a buying trade there are points you will sell, there are points you can take a short sale of a retracement before the next push up. So that is what we are doing right here. So this is not a very long trade, because it has a chance of pushing upside again to this particular place. What we are taking here is a reaction based on that zone, that liquidity that it grab. So we are taking trade based on this liquidity that it took from here. So there should be a reaction there, and then maybe it will sell for some time and start to and go back upside to the line above. Okay, so that's just a simple way to get a sniper entry on, even on a buying market, because at this point you see this thing here, you know that it's actually going to be buying. Look at it. This is a day time frame. All right, so it's actually buying from here, though it is at a point of where there should be a good reaction, that's why we are selling at that point. If you look here, you see that this place is a zone that markets cannot just come and break. There must be reaction right here. All right, so that is one more reason we are selling right from there. Simple as that. Okay, so I bet you understand what I mean here. If you have a question that you don't understand from this video, don't forget to send the question in the comment section. I will be there to answer to your question. And also, if you want to get any of the courses I have said earlier, check on this video description. You are going to see a link to my telegram channel, my telegram handle, or my WhatsApp, and then you send me a message and then you get access to it right now. Remember that this offer I'm giving to you guys is valid for just 24 hours, and for first 2% are going to get access to that. So first fast fingers gets it, right? So like I said, you're getting the Tony IK masterclass and the Dapper Willis Forest Mastery course, each of them $5, and then you get extra bonus. That is the only one choose course. So if you get the two of them, you get extra bonus. And if you want all the courses I have in my custody, I'll give you everything for $15. All right, I'll give you everything for $15. It includes the Mamba FX, the Happy Forest Masterclass, the Willis J, the Golden Bridge course, the Dark Strategy, the Doniaki Masterclass, Only One Choose, and the Willis Forest Mastery course. These are the complete course. And also, I'll be releasing my own personal course, the Boom and Cash Masterclass, for you also, for the first two persons. That one too for free. All right, simple as that. Simple as that. It's not that difficult. It is not that difficult. All right. So guys, I think if you are, don't forget to also hit on the subscribe button if you are new to the channel, and also like the video and drop your comment right there. It's very important. Right? It's very important. But we are still pushing down. We have $3 in each of the trade we took. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Right? That is cool. Amazing. All right, guys. Admin Humble FX. See you in the next video. Enjoy, and you are welcome.